In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio to your animation using the Video Sequencer, a versatile tool that allows you to seamlessly integrate sound into your video projects. This process is straightforward and incredibly useful for enhancing the quality of your animations with synchronized audio. So let's dive right into it. First, the very foundation of this process is to open the Video Sequencer. If you're unfamiliar with it, don't worry, I'm here to guide you through. The Video Sequencer is just one of the many editor windows available, and it's vital for adding and editing audio and video strips in your project. Begin by changing one of your editor windows to the Video Sequencer. This can be done easily. Just locate the Editor Type menu in the panel header and choose the Video Sequencer from the list. By doing this, you prepare a workspace specifically for audio and video editing, providing you with the necessary tools and options to achieve your desired results. Now that the sequencer is ready, let's move on to adding your sound file. With the Video Sequencer active, navigate to the Add menu located at the top, or more conveniently, use a handy shortcut. Press Shift+A on your keyboard, and from the options that appear, select Sound. This action will prompt you to search for and choose your desired audio file. It's here that you'll select the file you want to incorporate into your animation or video project. This file is essentially what will bring your visuals to life, so make sure you've picked the right sound for the mood or message you want to convey. Once your audio file is added, you'll notice it appears as an audio strip on the timeline. The beauty of the Video Sequencer lies in its simplicity and flexibility. You can click and drag this audio strip to position it precisely where you want it on the timeline. This flexibility is crucial for syncing your sound with your animation or visual elements. If the timing needs to be adjusted, simply click, hold, and slide the strip to your desired frame. Take your time here and ensure that audio matches up perfectly with your visual cues. This is what will set a professional tone for your project. Finally, to bring everything together, it's time to render your animation. Head over to the Output Properties panel, a critical step in ensuring all your hard work comes to fruition. Here, you'll set the file format to a video container such as FFmpeg Video. It's essential to ensure you select the correct container and audio codec settings. Otherwise, your audio won't be included in the final render. By doing this, you're not just exporting an animation, but a complete audiovisual experience. With these few steps, you've learned how to effectively add audio to your animation using the Video Sequencer. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. Be sure to apply these steps to elevate your future projects. Stay creative.